Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to give you guys a brief history of this surah before we get into it. Surah Naba, chapter 78 of the Quran, was revealed in Mecca. It is believed that this surah was revealed during the early period of prophethood of Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. The main themes of the Quranic message during this period were A. Oneness of Allah. None except Allah has the power of creation, dominion and control. There's no creator except Allah, no sovereign except Allah, and no controller of affairs except Allah. He has no partner or associate. There's nothing worthy of worship except Allah. B. Messengership. Allah has sent prophets in all ages to guide mankind to the truth of Islamic monotheism. Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, was the last and final messenger of Allah. It is essential for a person to believe in his prophethood and follow him for eternal success. C. Life after death. There's another life after death where everyone will be accountable before Allah. People who believed and did righteous deeds in this life will receive eternal reward, and those who disbelieved and did wicked deeds will be punished. People of Mecca at that time believed that there is no creator and sustainer except Allah, but they ascribed partners to him and were involved in idol worship. They had no doubt about the truthfulness, righteousness and honesty of Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. Yet they rejected his claim of prophethood and the message that he brought. The Meccans of that era believed that the life of this world is the only life. People are born and they die, and there's nothing after it. Some of them rejected the concept of life after death altogether, and some of them were in serious doubt about it. Now let's get into the recitation. Enjoy.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم عم يتساءلون عن النبع العظيم الذي هم فيه مختلفون كلا سيعلمون ثم كلا سيعلمون ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا والجبال أوتادا وخلقناكم أزواجا وجعلنا نومكم سباتا وجعلنا الليل لباسا وجعلنا النهار معاشا وبنينا فوقكم سبعا شدادا وجعلنا سراجا وهاجا وأنزلنا من المعصرات ماء ثجاجا لنخرج به حبا ونباتا وجنات ألفافا إن يوم الفصل كان ميقاتا يوم ينفق في السور فتأتون أفواجا وفتحت السماء فكانت أبوابا وسيرت الجبال فكانت سرابا إن جهنم كانت مرصادا للطاغين مآبا لابثين فيها أحقابا لا يذوقون فيها بردا ولا شرابا إلا حميما وغساقا جزاء وفاقا إنهم كانوا لا يرجون حسابا وكذبوا بآياتنا كذابا وكل شيء أحصيناه كتابا فذوقوا فلن نزيدكم إلا عذابا إن للمتقين مفازا حدائق وأعنابا وكواعب أترابا وكأسا دهاقا لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا كذابا جزاء من ربك عطاء حسابا رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما الرحمن لا يملكون منه خطابا يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا ذلك اليوم الحق فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه مآبا إنا أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه ويقول الكافر يا ليتني كنت ترابا.
Thank you for watching this video from Abdimalik TV. Don't forget to like the video, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.